Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest smartphone from Huawei in India, the Huawei Y9 2019 variant. So this device was announced in India for a price of rupees 15,990 and comes with quite good hardware. So in this video we'll talk about the device, the specifications, the features and overall looks, and also the camera department. So it also comes with a Kirin 710 octa-core chipset, 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. So this is the box packing of the Y9. So you can see it's a pretty simple box packing. This is not the retail unit, and you can see the Huawei Y9 2019 variant mentioned here, and apart from that there is nothing mentioned on the box pack. So we'll do the unboxing, we'll take the device and see what all comes inside the box as well. So let's get started with unboxing. So opening up the box, you can see the Y9 on the top. So we have the Sapphire blue variant. So this is the variant, and you can see that it comes with a curved back panel with arc design, which gives a good feeling altogether. It's curved on the sides and it is made of plastic material, although it mimics glass finishing and looks pretty good. But apart from that, it also is a fingerprint magnet, but it looks really nice in terms of the build quality. So that's the device, the Huawei Y9 2019 variant, and looks quite good. So on the right side we have the power and volume keys included, so that feels quite good. And at the bottom panel you have the 3.5mm audio jack, the micro USB charging slot and the speaker unit included, and it looks quite good in terms of the placement. And on the left side we have the SIM tray. It is a dedicated SIM card slot, and it supports 2 SIM cards and an SD card. Now on the back panel you get to see the dual camera setup and the fingerprint scanner, the flash and the AI camera logo along with the Huawei branding. Now let's see what else comes inside the box. So opening up, you can see that there is also a TPU case included with the box package. So the TPU case provides quite good protection to the device. So this is standard TPU case. There is also SIM ejector pin included, and apart from that you get the standard charger. So this is not the Indian variant, this is the Chinese variant. So this, as I said before, it's not the Indian retail unit, and the output is 5 volt 2 that's 10 volt charging, standard charging. So no fast charging is supported on this device. And apart from that you also get the micro USB charging slot. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the device. So this is the Huawei Y9 2019 variant with the 6.5 inches Full HD plus resolution display, 19:9 aspect ratio, and you can also see the viewing angles are quite good and the display feels quite good. And you also get a small notch, even though it has a dual camera setup. The notch has been kept to smaller size, and this runs on the EMUI 8.2. so that's the version. You can see the EMUI 8.2 and Android version is 8.1. so there is no Android Pie out of the box. This is still running on Android 8.1. So it also comes with a Kirin 710 octa-core chipset, 4GB RAM and 64GB storage being offered. Apart from that, you also get the standard features available on the EMUI. You get the simple mode, ride mode and other options including gesture support for themes, dual app support and other options which you see on EMUI is available on this device as well. So if you are a person who have used EMUI, this is almost same, no difference. So now let's talk about the cameras. So we have a dual camera setup here. So we have a 13 and 2 megapixel rear camera, and this is with f-stop 1.8 aperture, and it also has an LED flash. On the front panel again we have a dual camera. It's a 13 and 2 megapixel camera combination with f-stop 2.0 aperture. Now let's go to the camera settings. You can see the different options available. Let's now take the video recording. So we'll just see what is the maximum resolution. So it's 1080p resolution at 60 fps is supported, but there is no electronic image stabilization offered on the camera. So that's the camera aspect, the rear camera as well as the selfie camera, and you also get the portrait mode and the aperture mode which can take some bokeh shots. So that's the camera aspect. So we'll be doing a detailed camera review of this device later when we get hold of the camera. So that's the dual camera along with the notch on the Huawei Y9 2019 variant. So now talking about the other aspects, the device comes with a 4000 mAh capacity battery. That's quite good capacity battery, and even though it's a large capacity battery, the device feels quite lightweight and easy to hold as well. So this should be able to give you more than a day of battery life easily with a large capacity battery. So apart from that, this device also comes with a large display, and it comes in just one variant, that's 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. That's only one variant available right now. So the device is priced 15,990 in India. That's a quite good pricing, and it will compete with other smartphones like the Redmi Note 6 Pro, the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 and also the Nokia 6.1 Plus and the Moto One Power are the smartphones which are priced in this segment. So that's all guys with the unboxing and hands-on with the Huawei Y9 2019 variant. We'll be doing more videos on this device, so stay tuned for that. And this is Number signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.